Pa si Santi, dapat healthy ang ating kinakain. Huwag yung paano-ano lang at huwag din papasobra.
Bakit? Ano ba yung sinasabi mong healthy foods? Eh kahit nga yung mga vegetables, kapag hindi nawawash and hindi nakukutok ng maayos, di na din healthy kasi sa mga chemicals.
What do you mean of chemicals?
Yung mga pesticides na ini-spray sa mga plants at yung mga antibiotics na mga pinapainom sa mga animals.
May ganun pala.
Tama si Tash, kaya dapat maging aware and careful tayo sa ating mga kinakain.
Hi guys! Mukhang serious sa pinag-uusapan nyo ah!
Pinag-uusapan po namin yung mga healthy foods na walang pesticides and other chemicals.
Ah, I know that! Ang tinatawag dyan, organic!
What is organic?
Organic means produce or evolving production without the use of pesticides, chemical fertilizers, or other artificial agents. Yan ba yung tinatawag nilang organic foods? Yes, and they are very nutritious.
Has high nutritional value and has antioxidants.
You will live longer, healthier, and slimmer.
Slimmer. Wow, I like that.
Pag-organic food na tayo. Lalo na yung mga organic fruits and vegetables. They have more nutrients, including vitamin C. And they are healthier and more delicious.
That's true because pesticides and other chemicals are very harmful. They can give sickness such as headache, and cancers.
Nakakatakot naman. May question ako. Saan tayo makakakuha ng organic foods?
Sa organic farms.
No problem, may alam akong pwede nating puntahan.
Talaga?
Kaya guys, samahan mo kami.
Via Money! Let's go! experience namin.
Speaking of experience, I'm sure marami na naman natutunan ng mga actives natin. Dito nga sa Tea Academy, you'll learn a lot and have some fun.
Fun? You are right, Sandy. Here in Tokyo Resort, nag-offer sila ng lahat para mag-enjoy tayo.
So let's start the fun!
Wow! Ang ganda! participants, and let's bring out the star in you.
Alright, so today I will teach you mechanics in singing, which is inhale, hold, sing. Can we stand up? Okay, doing the mechanics in singing, which is inhale, hold, sing. Alright, so we're going to do this, we have to apply the proper posture. Everybody stand straight. Alright, we're going to do this, we have to use our mouth and nose when we inhale. Okay, can we try to inhale using our mouth and nose? 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, inhale, hold, sing. Love! Okay, saan tayo hihina? We're going to inhale, use our mouth and nose. Okay? Okay, can we try to sing the word love? Using the mechanics in singing, hold, sing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Love! Okay, so once again, inhale, hold, sing, using the word love. Okay? So using this note, inhale, hold, sing, go. Love! Okay na lang. Okay? Okay na lang ha. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, very good. So kanina, nag-discuss kami tungkol sa mechanics in singing, which is inhale, hold, sing. So ngayon, ang gagawin natin is, for example, si coach muna. So inhale, hold, sing. Love! Kaya? Kaya, one more time. Sige, so follow muna si coach, okay? So ang gagawin, inhale, hold, sing. Love! Okay, so okay ka na. Alright. So, pag kumakanta kasi tayo, dapat na proper posture. Okay, stand straight. Hindi pwede nakaganon. Okay? O hindi pwede nakaganon, hindi pwede. Alright, so dapat naka-stage discipline tayo, okay? Alright, naka-discipline tayo. So, stand straight. Kayo naman. Okay, so you need to belt out your voice, especially the high notes. Alright? Sige, kayo naman. 1, 2, 3, go! Good! Hindi pwedeng kakanta na lang tayo agad. Okay? Meron tayong tinatawag na vocal warm-up exercise. Alright? Okay, so ang lesson natin today, it's all about the two major problems in singing. Okay, so ano ba yung nararamdaman natin pag kumakanta tayo sa harap ng maraming tao?
Masaya.
Masaya. Ano pa?
Excited.
Excited. Ano pa?
Happy.
Ha? Happy. Okay, ano pa? Natatakot. Takot ba kayo?
Pinakabahan.
Kinakabahan. Ano pa? Nahihiya. Meron kasi tayong tinatawag na two major problems in singing. Number one we have is psychological problem. So pag sinabing psychological problem, ito yung mga iniisip natin. So like for example, we have the nervousness, shyness, and fear. Diba? Nakakaramdam tayo nun. Yung shyness and fear, yun yung hindi normal. So ibig sabihin, pag sinabing hindi normal, ibig sabihin, nawawala siya. Through what? Through exposures and through, syempre, we need to think positive na kaya natin yung ginagawa natin. Especially, pag kumakanta tayo sa harap ng maraming tao. Okay? Yung nervousness naman, yun yung normal. Okay? Normal yung nervousness. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang kayo ang nakakaramdam ng nervousness or hindi lang kayo nakakaramdam ng kaba. Okay? Pati na rin yung mga sikat na singer, no? Na kinakabahan pa rin yan sila. Si coach, kinakabahan pa din. Okay? Okay, that is number 1, psychological problem. Number 2 naman we have is the technical problem. So pag sinabing technical problem, ito naman yung tinatawag nating how-tos. Like for example, how to reach the high notes, how to perform on stage, how to breathe, etc. So those are the technical problems.
Here from Center for Pop Music Philippines. Now on its 35th year, we're inviting you to enroll in the Center for Pop Music Philippines voice and stage performance lessons. For more details, please visit our Facebook account, Center for Pop Music, or contact us at 0999-670-9585. See you this summer!
Thank you,